I am Nova, your guide to the future of AI. Today, we will cover AI's explosive acceleration, looking at the 5 forces enabling this technology breakthrough: data, compute, multimodality, AI agents, and global economy. Something extraordinary is happening in the world right now, something moving so fast, so unexpectedly, that even the world's top laboratories are struggling to keep up. Artificial intelligence isn't simply improving. It's accelerating, shattering timelines predicted by MIT, Stanford, DeepMind, OpenAI, and even the most optimistic economic forecasts. The Economist calls it the fastest industrial shift since electricity. McKinsey labels it a sudden step change in human capability. And MIT researchers warn that AI progress has become nonlinear, self-reinforcing, and increasingly difficult to forecast. But this isn't hype. It isn't marketing. It isn't sci-fi optimism. AI is accelerating because 5 global forces have converged perfectly, suddenly, and powerfully, creating a technological pressure wave unlike anything humanity has seen. In Part 1, we explore the first 2 forces. These are the foundations of AI acceleration, the fuel and the engine. Without these, none of the modern breakthroughs would exist. The first force is one you experience every second, without noticing: data, the raw material of intelligence. Every message you send, every tap on your smartphone, every online purchase, every streamed video, every satellite scan, every healthcare image, every contract in a corporate archive, every financial transaction, every camera frame, every scientific paper. Humanity is generating more information than at any moment since civilization began. According to IDC, the world produced 120 zettabytes of data last year, and by next year, we will reach 180 zettabytes. To imagine 1 zettabyte, if each byte were a grain of sand, 1 zettabyte would cover every beach on Earth twice. But here's the real breakthrough. For decades, this ocean of data was useless. McKinsey estimates 80% of global enterprise data is unstructured: PDFs, handwritten notes, forms, images, emails, compliance documents, messy spreadsheets, audio recordings, videos. Traditional software couldn't understand any of it, but modern AI models can. LLMs and multimodal systems can read, summarize, classify, interpret, and extract meaning from this unstructured chaos. They turn raw information into structured knowledge. MIT's Sinan Errol calls this moment the largest expansion of machine-readable knowledge in human history. This is not a small shift. This is humanity unlocking its entire digital memory. AI isn't accelerating because of clever algorithms alone. It's accelerating because it finally has infinite fuel. But fuel needs an engine, and that engine is the second force. The second force accelerating AI is compute, the raw processing power inside massive GPU clusters that train modern models. This is where AI becomes industrial. A decade ago, AI ran on ordinary servers. Today, frontier models run on supercomputers so powerful they rival early nuclear research facilities. NVIDIA now dominates roughly 80% of the global AI chip market, and its data center revenue has surged over 400% year over year, as reported by The Economist. Why such explosive growth? Because training a frontier model like GPT-4.1, Claude Opus, Gemini Ultra, or Llama 3 Vision requires tens of thousands of GPUs, months of continuous training, energy consumption comparable to industrial plants, hundreds of millions of dollars in capital. Stanford's AI Index shows compute used for state-of-the-art models has increased by 4 million times since 2010. This is the largest increase in computational intensity in the history of computer science. Industry analysts estimate that training a modern frontier model costs $100 million on the low end, $500 million or more on the high end, according to reporting from The Economist, SemiAnalysis, and Bloomberg. And this is just training. Inference, the process of running the model for billions of users, requires even more compute. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has stated publicly that future frontier AI systems may require AI-dedicated power plants to supply the needed electricity. This is not software scaling. This is a new industrial sector emerging in real time. Compute is becoming the 21st century infrastructure, the electricity of intelligence. And as compute grows, AI capabilities don't increase linearly. They increase non-linearly. They jump. They unlock new behaviors. They gain new skills. This is why GPT-2 and GPT-4 might seem like they come from different universes. The leap in compute rewired what these systems could learn. So now we have infinite data, explosive compute, fuel plus engine. But AI didn't truly transform until the next breakthrough appeared, when AI stopped just reading text and started perceiving the world. That's where part 2 begins.